Let's talk about something we're all a bit worried about. Our muscles getting weaker as we get older. Did you know that a whopping 25% of our muscle mass is gone by the time we hit 50? And just 1 in 5 adults over 50 are getting enough physical activity. But there's no need to despair. We've got a fresh way for you to regain your strength and rejuvenate your muscles. Welcome to the world of adaptive microcurrent technology. Sound like Star Trek technology? It's actually pretty straightforward. Imagine being able to target and tone your specific muscle groups and speed up your warm up and recovery times for pre workouts and post workouts. Pretty cool, right? Now, this isn't a one size fits all deal. We know everyone's fitness journey is different. That's why our fitness solutions are personally crafted for you. Just as easy as flicking on a light switch. You can bounce back faster and perform better. It can be tough to believe. We're often told that losing strength and agility is just a part of getting older. But what if that's not the whole truth? What if, with the right techniques and tech, getting older doesn't have to mean getting weaker? That's exactly what adaptive microcurrent technology does. Let's be real. Old school muscle recovery methods had their days, but they're not the only game in town. We've got new ways to pump up your aging muscles, ways to improve your pre workout and post workout recovery, ways to live a healthier, livelier, stronger, and happier life. If you're feeling stuck, losing motivation, or hitting fitness plateaus, join us and age like a fine wine. Give adaptive microcurrent technology a shot and watch your fitness level skyrocket. Leave comment I want one below to learn more about adaptive microcurrent technology. Experience the incredible power of personalized fitness as you get older. Believe me, your future self will give you a high five.